Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a text tone using GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You can open up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with making a text tone. So I'm going to open up my tracks right here. I'm going to open up audio recorder. That's going to open up this recording menu right here, and now I can get started with opening up my song and saving it. So what I'm going to do is go right here in the upper left corner. If you click the edit mode, that's going to go ahead and give me a preview of my tracks. As you can see, I have my tracks right here. Let's say I'm satisfied with how they sound. I have added everything I want. I have all my tracks right here. Now I want to save them as a text tone. I have to go right here into the upper left corner and click on the arrow pointing downwards. Then we're going to open up this menu that says my songs. You want to open up my songs, and after opening up my songs, it's going to give you your projects right here that you have and your songs. So now let's say we want to use it as a text tone. What we want to do guys is go ahead and open up the project right here by tapping on it. So hold the project that you want to use as a text tone, hold it. It's going to open up this new menu, and what you can do is click the share button. So after clicking share, as you can see, now we can go ahead and use it to create a custom ringtone for your iPhone. So if you click the ringtone option right here, as you can see, it's going to enable you to export your ringtone, and after that you'll be able to go to the settings app on your iPhone and choose the ringtone that you want to use as a text app, and you can choose this song right here. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.